Today I'll teach you how to use JavaScript Serializer in ASP.NET. So let's start. So here I am adding a namespace system.web.script.serialization. I'm adding a class. Here I am naming it as person. So here I have added two properties, name and mobile number. Now inside the page load event handler, as you can see, I have created an object of person class. And in the name property, I am setting the name. And in the mobile number property, I am setting the mobile number. As you can see, person object has been converted into a JSON string using serializer method of the JavaScript Serializer class. Now I'm adding a breakpoint so that we can check the values. Now we'll run the project. As you can see, the breakpoint has been hit. The session has been set. With this, we come to the end of this video. Today we learned how to use JavaScript Serializer in ASP.NET. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And please also click on the bell icon so that you receive notifications. Goodbye.